Guess what we have? All 4 colors of the brand new MacBook Neo. Let's unbox. We've got the silver, blush, indigo, and citrus. Starting with the citrus because this is my favorite. It's got a little hello right there. Oh my goodness, this color is just so freaking cool. Oh, it's amazing. Inside the box, we have USB-C cable and a charging brick. Next up, indigo. Ooh, look at this blue. This is more of like a darker blue color. Really like it. Look how pretty. Next up, blush. Oh, I cannot believe they made an actual pink MacBook. Now I do wish that this was a hot pink, but it still looks so pretty. Look at this. Oh, it's so pink. And last we have silver. Man, the silver really looks nice. All of my last MacBooks that I've got have been the darker colors. I think for my next MacBook Pro, I might get the light silver. Like, it looks so nice. I kind of miss it. One of my favorite parts about the new MacBook Neo is the color matched keyboards. So each keyboard matches the color of the MacBook. You can see it's like a slight hint of green here on the citrus, nice hint of pink on the blush, blue on the indigo, and silver here on the silver Neo. Look what we have here, the brand new iPhone 17e in the pink. We love to see it. Here it is. One of the new things with the iPhone 17e is it does have MagSafe now, which is super exciting. It's a very light pink. One of these days, Apple, you can do this color pink. I am patiently waiting. Now as for accessories, we have a wallet, 2 cases, and the crossbody strap. Oh, wallet is attached. This case looks nice. We've also got a clear case. And there's what the clear case looks like. And last but not least, we have the crossbody strap. I like that this is nicely color matched to the pink. And there it is, crossbody strap complete. I love that this is magnetic too, so it'll keep this nice and connected, so it won't separate if you're wearing it. There it is. Would you look at what we have here? The brand new Studio Display and the Studio Display XDR, which I'm not sure which one this is, so we're gonna find out together. Out of all of the things that Apple announced recently, these Studio Displays, I am so excited about. Wow, wow, wow. I can't even get this all in the frame. Okay. Oop. Oh my goodness, you're beautiful. Okay, what's in here? Oh, our Thunderbolt cable. One of the most exciting things for me about these new displays is you can daisy chain them from the actual monitors yourself. So if you have a bunch of displays, you can connect them to each other instead of to your computer. So you won't need some additional hub or anything like that. So hyped about that. I love that on the back here, like this is where all of our cables and power supplies are. Wow, I don't remember this from last time. What a great experience. Beautiful. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the Pro Display XDR, and it's just gonna magically appear here. Whoa! Here it is. Here she is with that beautiful nano texture. Oh my goodness. It's so nice. And this is where the real difference for the nano texture comes in. So take a look at these two displays. Like, look at this. This is nano texture, and this is the reflective, just regular display. And you can clearly see the difference. I'm shook. We've got the brand new MacBook Pro M5 Max Edition. Let's unbox. Spoiler, it looks just like the previous version, but it's faster. So this is the 16-inch version, and for the last several years, I have been using the 14-inch, which the size for traveling on the 14 is amazing. So I'm kind of excited to use this big screen again. What a beast. Wow. Oh, it smells good. It's heavy. It's a heavy machine, but it is a beast for sure. We've got a color matched USB-C MagSafe charging cable and our charging brick. Okay, let's turn it on. Whee! So this is the nano texture and it's incredible. I cannot have a display now without nano texture. It is so much easier on your eyes. Yes, it is a little more expensive, but I'm telling you, if you're someone that's on your computer a lot, especially if you're working outdoors or near a window, this makes it so much easier. There's so much less glare. It's the best. Wow, this display is huge. Look at this, oh my goodness. Wow. And there you have it. This is the new M5 Max. I keep wanting to call it the M Pro Max, M5 Pro Max. As someone who does this for a full-time job, I can't even imagine just trying to pop into like the Apple ecosystem and trying to figure this all out. I'm overwhelmed, so if you're feeling overwhelmed, it's okay, me too. Look what we have here, the brand new M4 iPad Air, and we also have some accessories. So, let's unbox. This is so light, it actually feels like there's nothing in it. I'm a little nervous. Okay, there's an iPad in it. They don't call it iPad Air for nothing. Here she is. Ooh, I'm so excited because I love this purple color. They also just came out with some new AirPods Pro Max, and I definitely want them in this color. So this does come in two sizes, the 11 and the 13, so this is the 13-inch. My past few iPads, I've actually had the smaller version, so this is kind of nice to go back to the bigger one. We've got a charging brick and charging USB-C cable. While that's turning on, let's check out our accessories. We've got the iPad Air Smart Folio and the Magic Keyboard. There it is. The Magic Keyboard really does turn any iPad into something so much more powerful. Look at that. Now we've got the Air Folio. This is also a smaller, slimmer option if you just want to have something to protect your iPad and you don't plan on using it in a keyboard fashion. Look what we have here, the new MacBook Air. This is the M5 edition. Look at this thing. The MacBook Air is such an incredible little device. Like, even if you're doing video editing, you can definitely get by on this thing. We've got our color matched MagSafe charger and charging brick. It's so wild now looking at this MacBook Air with these black keys. The MacBook Neo with its color matched keyboards makes it look so much better. I didn't realize how dated this kind of looks now with like the black keys. So here we have it, the M5 MacBook Air. Thank you for watching this massive unboxing. I tried something a little different in my videos this time around. I tried to not put the unboxings in the actual videos, so I'm curious if you like that. I had posted them all separately as shorts.
Contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
I basically had posted them all as social content, as shorts, and like on Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that. So let me know what you think. Do you miss having them in my actual videos? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you, bye. That was a lot of unboxing.